White clouds on the beach.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Billie Jean, Michael Jackson. Ndiwe duga nyimbo kabantima panga kapassion. Monga ikalila fashion. Versace, Uzali Valentina langa money go meza every season. Cause I say in every day landing.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Sandra Peachy and I am standing today because I wanted you guys to see the majesticity of my hair. Can you see it? Can you see it? So if you remembered, I don't know, 2 weeks ago I did a video on how to create your own DIY crochets, and we got a request. I'll put the name of the person who requested down below because I don't remember her name, but she requested to do an installation video, so I tried my best. Now you need to remember that it is my second time installing my own crochets, so we're also learning. So the way I do it might be a little off, but it came out great. I love how it came out. The hair doesn't really show like in the braid, but I think that's because the braid's black at the tips. I mixed brown and I mixed purple and blue because I didn't have enough of both, so I thought, hey, why not? So yeah, this is basically how I did my crochets. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Please, let's take us to 900 subscribers, because as we all know, I just had my teeth removed. You can see my face is swollen, but I am still recording a video. So I'm doing this for you guys. I'm just asking you guys to do this for me too. Like, let's take us to 900 subscribers. I hope you do love this video, and yeah, thank you for watching. Enjoy the video. So these were the first like little braids that I did for my first attempt, and I just wanted to put this clip in to point out that the bigger they are, the more harder they are to hide. So don't do this. This is me showing you what not to do. Unless your crochets are like super big, then yeah, you can do that, but this didn't work out. So yeah, let's do the other type. As you can see, these ones are much littler and much smaller. So what you do is you take your crochet needle, as you can see, the medium size one that can go through your hair. Make sure though the braids are loose so that your braid can fit through it. Then just insert your crochet needle with the clip down in between the roots. Then hook your braid, the loop of your braid into the hook. Close this latch, they call it the latch, and then pull it through. So if your braid is loose enough, it should be easy for it to pass through, but if it is very tight, this will be uncomfortable. So open your hook and then take your hair and then pass it through the loop too. Once it's secured there, put your crochet needle into the loop again, like so. Take the end, the most skinniest part of it, and then put it in the hook, and then close the hook thing, the latch, pull it through. Make sure you secure your hair too. After it is pulled and it has created a knot, the rest is very simple. So just put your crochet needle through the hair nearest to the end as you can, then pull your hair through it to the other side. Take your hook to the opposite end and then pull your hair through again, and you repeat this until all of your natural hair is inside the braid. Now note, if the color of your crochet braid is very light, like I had the gray ones, you could see my hair through it, and I didn't mind as much, but I mean, it wasn't the neatest thing and it was my first time doing it, but it worked out. So if you don't mind that, then cool, this is the method for you. Like I said, it is my first time trying this, so yeah, I am not an expert, but it works for me. As you can see, we now have a complete braid. So let's try and do that again. Take your hair, Then put your needle through your hair, the roots of your hair, hook your crochet braid, pull it through, then pull your natural hair through the loop, and then put the crochet needle back into the loop. Take the smallest part of your braid and then pull it through. Once it is through, I'm struggling with this one, but I managed to get it through. Once it is through, you then secure it, making that knot at the end of your hair, and then start weaving your natural hair through the braid. That is, inserting the needle nearest to the end as you can through your braid, pulling your hair through the braid, and then doing it at the opposite side. Pull your hair through the braid, do it on the opposite side, pull your hair through the braid until your hair is completely weaved through.
Cause I say in every day landing. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Nimba 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 jaiwe. Oh yeah, oh yeah. From Monday to Sunday. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You're my favorite song. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Nimba 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 jaiwe. Wezi, atikana energy na wezi. I'ma funa tangi yako blessy. I'ma funa kupange replay. Lazy, I'm focused on you and got the lazy. Body that's a winner, no be mercy. Like when I hear you ain't got the busy. Yes, see. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Nimba 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 jaiwe. Oh yeah, oh yeah. From Monday to Sunday. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You're my favorite song. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Nimba 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 jaiwe. Oh yeah, eh, eh, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, eh, eh, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, eh, eh, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, eh, eh, oh yeah. Oh yeah, eh, eh, oh yeah. Oh yeah, eh, eh, oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Nimba 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 jaiwe. Oh yeah, oh yeah. From Monday to Sunday. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You're my favorite song. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Nimba 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 jaiwe. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Nimba 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 jaiwe. Oh yeah, oh yeah. From Monday to Sunday. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You're my favorite song.
So that is the end of this video. I hope it was very helpful to you. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye.